Oh my god. I'm so excited. Normally, I have to pay the same price for one month treatment of my cat's flea treatment, but Amazon started making it. It's the same active ingredients that are in Advantage 2, and I got four for the price of one. So it was $16, which is what you pay for one pack of Advantage 2, and I got 4. It's the exact same ingredients. It even says it on the box, which I didn't know that. It's the exact same thing. Bam!